Hello guys. Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is Editoriola again. Today I will gonna teach you how to make chicken yogurt. First I need to have chicken. Of course the salt, turmeric, black pepper, coriander dry leaves, coriander powder, and natural yogurt, and of course some piece of cubes. So I will gonna start now, and some oil, and of course I need garlic and onion for saute. Now I saute the garlic. I mix the onion. I saute it very well. After I will mix the chicken. Now like this, I remove the rest water of the chicken. Now I saute it very well. Now I will gonna add the seasonings, the turmeric, black pepper, and coriander dry leaves. Coriander powder, and I will gonna mix it very well. And I will gonna add the chicken cubes, a little bit of hot water, just little bit. It's the yogurt, just half of this, enough, half of the this one. I don't know what is the gram. I actually 400 grams, half. Gonna put little salt, just little bit, and mix it very well. And I will gonna cover it. I will cover it to cook very well until the chicken will be cooked. But sometimes a little bit mixing to not become burn in the down. So this is the final for the chicken yogurt. So thank you for your watching. This is Editoriola again. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, like, and share, and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you. I really appreciated all your help, your likes and subscribes. Thank you. Enjoy the meal. God bless.